Hello wifeys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michaela here, and today we're going to be getting into what's in my hospital bag. I am preparing for my second C-section. I've had one before, and also I want to get into what is in my baby bag that I'm going to take to the hospital with me as well. So if you want to see what I packed, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first up we have the Dais Weekender bag. It has another strap that I just had and I can't locate it again. But it straps onto these like a little crossbody. You can throw it over your shoulder. And I love that strap, so I really need to find it. But Alex isn't gonna let me carry it anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But it does have this, like, I have a review on this bag. I'll link it down below, but it does has this zipper right here on this little pouch. If you can see my fingers. And when I carry this bag, he usually just throws it on top of his luggage and wheel it in where I don't have to carry it. But this is the Weekender bag. I've had it for a couple of years now, so it's not in the brand new condition that it was in. I did have it monogrammed myself, but it has like a little front pocket here. And it's just like a really nice Weekender bag. So I thought it was perfect for the hospital. So let's get into it. So this is how it looks on the inside. And let me just preface this video before I even get started. Listen, you don't need anything when you go to the hospital to have a baby. Like, literally nothing, just clothes on your back, okay? So none of this stuff is like necessary, if that makes sense. This is just stuff that I wanted to have this go around. And honestly, I feel like I had more stuff my first C-section because like I overpacked, but like this time I'm like, this little bag will do, this will do me fine, you know? So you don't really need anything. Women go into labor spontaneously all the time, go to the hospital, have their baby, and they're just fine. They don't need anything. So I just wanted to say that. So all this stuff is just like a preference, not necessarily like a necessity. Okay, so now that I've said that, let's just go through what I have here. So in this side pocket here, I just have the Lancino Soothies cooling gel pads because I do plan on like breastfeeding. So yeah, I just got these just in case I need them. Yeah, I also need to get some of the I don't have any nipple cream, so I still need to get some nipple cream. But yeah. Then also I have like a stack of nursing pads. So just like a stack of the Target brand nursing pads to stick into like my nursing bra and stuff for like leakage, because with a C-section, you're not as mobile as you would like. I mean, with any birth, you're not as mobile as you want to be, but with a C-section, it takes a while. So I'm not gonna be able to like jump up and like get, I don't know why I just touched my boobs. I'm sorry. But I'm not gonna be able to just like jump up and like take care of my leakage. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I need to have some of those nearby. I also got some extra underwear here, and stuff like that. And the underwear that I'm using, did I keep the box? I don't think I kept the box, but they're the mesh high cut Hanes. I think they're Hanes. I thought I kept the box. They're not Hanes. I'm glad I kept the box. They are the Fruit of the Loom. So these are the breathable micro mesh, six pairs of high cut underwear. I got a 2X just because I like for my postpartum underwear to be very large, to go over my C-section scar. You know what I'm saying? Like I tuck my pouch in. So yeah, I got these. They're very breathable. I do not like the mesh, the mesh underwear that the hospital give you, so I won't be wearing those. I do like the pads that the hospital give you, but yeah, the underwear is not enough support for me. But these are nice and they're breathable, like they're mesh with coverage, if that makes sense. So I got some of these, and I think I packed pretty much all of those. And then also I packed, let's pull it out. So I have these. So I just kind of like matched them up, the underwear with like the nursing bras. So these nursing bras I got from Amazon, and they're really nice, and they come padded, but I don't wear the pad, and I forget how I got it out the last time. Oh, you just go right here in here and just take it out. So yeah, I don't need the padded bra, but these are really nice. They come from Amazon. They have the support. That's the front. This is the back, and they have these little snaps right here where you. Alex told me how to do it. It's sad he knows how to do it. Okay, so you snap it out and then you snap it back in like this, and then it just comes down for easy access to get your boob out. So I packed 2 of these just to have and to wear in the hospital. I got these in a size 2X as well, but I wear a triple D, so it fits, just for reference. And then I also bought the gray one, and I matched the gray underwear to that. So I have those. I'm gonna try to put stuff back because I don't want to repack the bag. And then as far as clothing goes, I also packed. So this is a little set, a trio set that I got from TJ Maxx, and it comes with like a little thin robe, you see, but it's nice. It covers my butt. I got this robe, and then it comes with like little shorts, and I've been wearing these all throughout my pregnancy, so I know it comes over my belly. It won't bother my scar. And then it also has this little tank top to go with it, and I thought this would be nice to have to just like pull off my shoulder and then undo my nursing bra to nurse, and also just open up my robe, if that makes sense. So yeah, I bought this. And also, the stuff that you bring shouldn't be expensive because it is birth, so there's no telling what's going to be leaking, what's going to be bleeding, you know what I'm saying? So like, bring stuff that like you've had a while. I've had this a while, so like I like it, but it's not something that like I don't mind parting with, if you get my drift. And then I also bought, well, I'm bringing this this nightgown. It's nice. It unbuttons. Again, release the boob to breastfeed or to pump or whatever you need to do, and just in case it's cold in there. So those are the only 2 like nighttime things that I'm bringing to like wear to bed. And my one outfit that I have I'm going to talk to you guys about why I'm not packing so many clothes, but my outfit that I have is this one. Again, buttons to release the boob. And then I got these pants. They're the Jessica Simpson like jogger capri pants, I think. They're cotton. They go over my belly. Like I said, I wear these now like while pregnant, so like I know that it'll go over my belly when I'm not, and it won't bother my scar. This will be my daytime outfit or leaving the hospital outfit. So the reason I'm not overpacking clothes is because I don't need to. It's just not, you don't need a bunch of clothes, a bunch of outfits. You're not going to be like fashion forward down the hall, switching outfits day in and day out. And plus, I don't plan on staying a very long time at the hospital, Lord willing. I just want to have the baby and be gone by like Saturday, because I'm scheduled for October 27th, and I want to be home for Halloween to see my kids go trick-or-treating. So I want a not rapid recovery, but like I don't want to plan to be there for a long time. So, but even if I am and I run out of this stuff, the hospital has things for me to wear. So it's not a big deal. And then also packed in here is my little like organizer my dad got me from Amazon. It's very nice because you can hang it up in the bathroom as is like this. So at the top here I have my toothbrush and toothpaste. Down here I have some hand wipes. Let's pull them out. I got some hand wipes I got from Dollar Tree, some Germex. These are my Always Feminine wipes. Gotta have those because even with a C-section, you will have some bleeding sometimes. Like, yeah, you will have some bleeding. And then I also packed some of these, even though I said I like the hospital pads, but just in case, I packed some of these. And these are the Always Ultra Thin overnight pads. So, got some of those for just in case. And then down here in this section is my bath time stuff, which I'm keeping my bath time routine very, very simple. I'm only bringing a bar soap, a base soap, which is a Dove Sensitive Skin. I also have my Dove deodorant. And then I have this EOS coconut water lotion, something a very light scent, you know, that shouldn't bother the baby. And then this is always in here, which is like my on the go, my travel skincare. So I probably won't use all these products, but just like it's some serums and some moisturizer and stuff like that in there. So that is it. That is all. Very simple. That's all I need. If I even need this, probably won't even use all of this stuff, but it's just what I would like to have to feel prepared. So that is what's in my hospital bag for me. Now let's go through baby bag. So this is the Bayes diaper bag. I already reviewed this bag earlier, like 2 videos ago, but this is the baby bag. It has all these straps, and it has a strap like this bag has. So it has the shoulder strap. I need to go find my shoulder strap. I don't know what I did with it. I had it and then I put it away and now I can't find it again. But anyways, so this is the Bayes diaper bag in black. So I will be bringing her baby bag. Off the rip on the side, I have an extra binky. We love the Advent little like circular ones like they have at the hospital. So we have a backup just in case, because these little suckers can get away from you. But anywho, there's nothing in the side pockets or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go straight in here. And there's not much in here either. I just have these mesh bags that I'm just gonna keep with me in this bag at all times. So in the wet dry bag, I have my pump, my manual pump, and the little pieces is not open yet. This is the Medela, what's this called? The Medela Harmony breast pump. Comes in a box like this. But these are all the pieces sealed up, and then I think the handle that goes on top. And then I also threw in here the manual because I didn't read it. So we'll figure it out if I need it at the hospital. I just bought that one for letdown, so probably like whatever boob I'm nursing her from, if I have letdown on the other side, I'll use that pump to get that. So that's why I packed that. I also just packed another bottle, a Medela bottle. It's not filled or anything, but it's just in the little bottle carrier just to have for maybe the car or anything if I need that. Okay, and then I also packed a swaddling blanket. So just a simple swaddle, just one. And then I also packed, okay, these are burp cloths. So I have this burp cloth, and I have this like little like Lily Pulitzer looking one. How cute is that? So I'll pack these. And then I also packed her going home outfit that I want her to wear. Just like a little jumper, and then little socks, and then we have her mittens with her initials on it, and then her hat with her name on it. So that's what she'll wear home. Not necessary. Again, like I said, this is just me being me. And then I also have a couple of onesies for her to wear. How cute is that? Got this one. These are all 0 to 3 months. Then I also packed a sleeper. And this one comes over her hands, like little, you can tuck her hands in. And then I also packed another one that looks like this. And then her headband and another headband just for you know, giggles. So yeah, that's all I'm packing for her. Like, I don't need anything, because like I said, the hospital is gonna have plenty of wipes, plenty of diapers, that my insurance will be paying good money for. So I will be using all that stuff. I'm not bringing that with me. They'll have anything I might need as far as like if she had like a rash or anything crazy like that. And then I also packed over here a little brush and comb, just in case I wanted to brush her hair before a picture or something, because you know she's gonna be just taking pictures and just being held and just being fed and, you know, being loved on. So she don't need much, and I didn't pack much, and I probably won't even use one of those sleepers. She'll probably just be in the onesies and then wear her little going home outfit. But just in case, I packed extra. So that is what is in my hospital bag. That is what is in baby's hospital bag. And yeah, so that is it. Like I said, you don't need any of this. If you want to take it, take it. But don't feel pressured if you feel like you don't have a lot of stuff. You don't need a lot of stuff. That's what I'm saying. Just make it easy on your husband, because they're going to be the ones who have to pack all this stuff up and take it to the car. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.